That's all you need. A little shot of that red sauce. Hey, Funky Town lost, man. I put that red sauce on there. I had put that red sauce on there. Let me see some. Let me see. Man, I can't even show you. It don't matter.
Number 13.
13. I need some napkin. Hey.
I'm on the street time, man. Hey, put street time. Put street time. No, put street time.
Yeah, I usually do chicken. Well, that thing. God, man. Somebody in my YouTube said, bro, are you black? Yeah. Hey, my YouTube live feed is so much clearer than the TikTok. Dang, man, hey, I wanted to go off on TikTok and see if y'all will come on over to my YouTube, but what's that girl name that's controlling the bots down there? Now I got I'm finna put me some corn inside of it now, y'all. Get that. Get you about a scoop of that. Boy. God, man. Circle of life, yeah. Circle of life. Yeah, I'm live on YouTube right now, and it's way clearer. Well, that corn hit. That corn, chicken, cilantro, all at the same time. Hold on. Look out, y'all. Let me see something. Fish flip. Let me show y'all this badass. God.
Number 15, número 15.
Boy, that onion in there.
Número 15, number 15.
Who cut my hair?
Número 16, number 16.
We got Jace Kennedy, y'all. Shout out to my boy Jace Kennedy. Cut my hair, got me all faded up this time. One time for the one time. Jace Kennedy.
Number 16, number
Eric
16.
Pittman.
Number 17.
Just
number
came to my
16.
channel. Appreciate that, man. Ooh. That old juice good too. Ooh, yeah. Okay. Well, y'all want a bite of that? God dang. Uh-oh. God dang. My little last piece of meat was trying to drop out my taco. Dang. That thing so good. Man, let me get another hit of that corn now. That taco's so good with the corn, maybe you don't want all the regular straight corn no more. There's 400 people watching. Let's get 400 likes. Circle of life. This thing's so good. I got one more bite. Golly, that little piece of meat.
Número 18, number 18.
Got that little crunch on that quesadilla too. That was just right for me. Let me get a shot of that corn mixed with it. That's it now. Dayton Tweed. Say don't quit ever. Quit what? Boy, that thing was so good. I might buy another. Yeah, we need to get 25,000 subs.
Número 19.
One eyeball. I'm gonna talk to you.
Huh? Nah, I'm drinking. I sure appreciate it, man. You go over there, go over there and offer that shit. Alright, y'all, let me throw my trash away.
Number 20.
Throw my trash away. It's time to go over here and what I'm gonna do now? It's Bucana time.
Número 21.
Let me see, did my boy move?